How to recover your Facebook account if you've forgotten password. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to recover your Facebook account. First thing you have to do is head over to your web browser and then simply go to the search bar, search for Facebook account recovery, hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see, recover your Facebook account if you cannot log in. And from here, you're going to have to open this one up. So I'm going to go to the account recovery option on Facebook, continue with it for now, and I'll be directly taken to the account page. Once you get to the account recovery page, tap on the option where it says I can't access my email address or mobile number on the account. Then from here, you can select what happens. So if you think that you found a post message that you didn't create or someone else got into your account without permission, you're going to have to secure your account. Tap on continue. Now you will be asked to secure your account. To tap on get started. Now once you click on the secure account, you're going to have to reset your password. So simply go ahead and tap on this change password button, and you'll be taken directly to your account center. Now select your Facebook account to change your password of. And if you have forgotten your password, tap on forgotten password. Now you can send a code to your email to recover it. Simply tap on it and tap on continue. You'll be sent a code on your email. All you have to do is enter the code to verify, and you should be able to recover your account easily. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.